Good morning, my dear students. अखोन ngasi tamgdaba parasi class 8 ki English course book ki parama khani parasi ki mami na Sanaton and his road haba parasi ni ko parasi koi amdi chambo ko adu khoi leiba sama society siga yamna nakna ba dugumba samna athopi ba dugumba parama khani parasi koi digest to munasi parasi ki mami sidale ra Sanaton and his road haba ni ko Sanaton am suma gi lambi Sanaton के लंबी सी का क्रम आइना मरी लेना रही नो हाई जेफर पराजरे की पुत्र का देनी को सनातन को वो नुपा मना माँ की लंबी मा लेकाई की लंबी में ले अदो लंबी रो माई मम्मी थोल कर देनी कोई शुद्ध हरे का दिलकु रोड कायना ले इधर को बीट चिकन जी रोड कायना असी की मोंग इधर को अदो को परासी की मरम दाइना सी की कायना सांगा रो अदो का परासी की मता में कोई खंग दो तंगाई फुटबॉल तंग है दी मोरियल सिंह दे कोई खंग दो याद है मसी मज्ञान तामिन सी Moral sida hai says self-help is the best help have got. Koi na manipuri ki paradega mamangi da class karne में da tamil na ko. Isha ya awat padi isha na khangi smai to hai bu. Koi na awat pasi isha ithanda men khacha ga da ne bu ko. Masi Mahatma Gandhi ki sumagi koi na father of the nation na khane Mahatma Gandhi ki sumagi oi ba asi one of the slogan where isha ne isha awat pa men khacha na bona bu ko. Yung nasi ahan mo paragraph tiki tum sa tham nasi ahan mo paragraph sida lambi digi masak tayo ko parage sari energy ko. The rain fell throughout the night and it made the road so muddy that life became miserable for everyone who had to work on it in the morning. Lambi sigi pibam yam khatte nongala ko lambi de sarka da mi pun shira awabu masak ni ahin da bon nong su kaba lambi ko lekhom na tin. The level of the road was also so low. Lambi du gi magi thak si yam nem me ko lei ba mapham du da lambi sa kun lei ha ni chamna nalana wang ba adu lambi mo orizan that mud and slime lekhom leinang sing mud lekhom slime leinang sing from the gutters of the khomban sing the overflowed into it madi matikta chensin no sura kan ko khomban du ne na tunga le ro mina lambi mai du da torel dong ising sele Shoes and sandals sank into the mud and slime. Adumba lambi the chali mission of Tongpa, Kumuka, Sapple, sandals sink of cannot sing to the red, Hoti sank the red, Rida, Lupe, Cry, Lupiva, like home Linan do that. Mud and slime do that. The man and woman who walked in it seemed to be wearing Buddha mud. Like home she yo lekong kung tong ro na kan lai ta ad chali mi sing na makong ro lekong kung tong ro na ura yeng la the shoes of school going children which they had polished bright and beautiful before they came out of their homes were covered with mud you know hoji school da la pangang sing ko mayum da gi school sana na ne ha na phatna sem sarga khung ka si phasna ka sarga na na lak sa bangang sing gi khung sing su kai dore hoji ti in some cases, even their uniforms were splattered with mud. Karigumba kanda di ko, mogi uniform schools at mogi visual singo. Adu pa wala ko na kuntay itation ba ko. Bicycle wheels were caught in the sticky. Adu ko malay kong yung namnak na adu the cycle do napsili mud, and the riders had to struggle with the pedals. Pedals di kong epon. Cycle thol ba missing do. Adu soy ko na magi. Yam kanna madu makoi ki mayok na batai ko cycle tholi do sapu do pia han na takna olam bado ji adu ki jaga de na pamina kanna ocean bi ma thau ta gyam tare ko cycle dum ba tong basina khoina rider adu ga gari gum ba thau basina driver engine pan basina ko sijina pamsa it ani suwa sit ahan ba paragraph sida khoina description of the road se khoida ai basina ga rasi ge thora It pains Sanaton deeply to see a miserable condition of the rock. Ose khoi lambi mo ugre ko. Khungang amagi. Aduna sai ba khungang ji ki lambi je. Samai ma cham tang ma hapte ko. Khungang ji ki lambi je ubada khungang ji da leiba. Sarkar ki thok ma cham ma to Sanaton ko nupa man suki matik nungai am de. Thamo yam somne yam patta ba phibam lambi ji u. Aduna magi mama na busing na man hobune. Misi ki thok sem tang to minasi leiba si hang belam pakti ki lokal laga तौरगा हांग मफमसिंदगी लौरगा लंबीजिगी फिल्मसे सुम थोंटसे मयामसी यारते अदु अखोइगी थौ नते मंगोंदा करिमनबी मधु सरकारना तौजगदब थबकनी इसी अदुदगिदी माना हाइरुद कानादरब म्यूजिक थादोमगा नुंतिगी थबक हलाकांदा नुमिदा चाक चादि पाउसे सिगुम लंबी थोंबगी थबकसे तौर माना तौर थबकतुदा मागी निपि खतमक mateं पांग मयामदी सिबोन ngangne yengaga lay mateं पांगबिरे अतुबु लंबीगी फिल्मदी नोंगाल पखुदिंगी नुमिना चटपगा लोनना लंबीगी असंग से सुमसु हेंकलकपा लंबीगी वांग सुसु वांखलाबा हानदगी असुम तौबदगी मयामदु येंबा नुंगाइरे मंगोंद थिन ngangon ममीसिंदो मंगोंद मथौ नते हाय ममीसिंदो वखल पुंग चेंज तौरे अदुना कैदोरे मोइना अखोइसु यावफम थोइना हाइदना खै सुम तौदना मखोइ वखल पुंगसी लंबीदगी फिल्म फरकपदुना होंगलै अमदि सनातनगी साजतुना होंगलै मसिदगिदी मखोइ सनातनगी मतुनिना थबक सुबि यावरे मखोइना हेग यावपन मितगिदी सनातनगी थबक सुबि लेपली अदुगी महूत नंग थबक सुबि यावरनो सुबि थबक थिंचिलंगना पानरो सुमाइ तौदना मयाम संगदना हुजिति लंबीदो सेमे अफब लंबी म ओइरे लंबीदो लेबक थोलबनिना मु कैदौरे थबक सुबिदि यावदबा सिंजाव फैबा लेकाइदो लेब मियोइसिंग अमु मखोइसु थवाइ यावना चोंथोरे अदुगा हाइरे हाइरिबु लंबीसिंग थाबा कोननबा नुंसिंग अखोइना mateं पांगनि नुं गारी पांगनि हाना कुना लेरब लंबी अमा अतोंबा चटपा याबा लंबी म ओइरे नोंसिंग सुबदा अवाबा ओइद्रे मदुगा नुं थारे फजना सेम याम थीना लेरब पोरम याम फजना ओइरे अदुगुंबा लंबीदो फजद्रबा लंबीदगी अफबा सिजनबा नुआइबा लंबी अमा ओइनबा सेमकपदा सनातोन लौगिबा मागी अदुगुंबा थौदांग अदु मसक खंदना लेकाइजिंगी मीसिंग अदुना अदुगुंबा लंबी अदुबो सनातोनगी लंबी हाइदना सनातोन लंबी हाइदना थोनि असुम तौदना परासी हराउ नुआइबगा लोइनना लोइसिले मसिने अखोइना परासिदा समलपना तमकदरिबा अतेंबा वारी मथंगी पैराग्राफ तमजमिनासी It pains Sanaton deeply to see the miserable condition of the Lord. Lambidi awa fibum uru da Sanaton yam mathaida mai thamoi the China form anat paki bagi masal or baita lambidi miserable awa fibum. He was a person habitually neat and clean. Mausan mase for matunan tarutan me. His daughter Magi Pijomana Hanganiko and shirt were snow white Magi Furitsu Pijoms Wantani. And his shoes were always polished black and bright. A strong sense of disgust came over Sanaton. Sanaton don't have disgust at the car. Hungry writer, a strong sense. I can walk Kalamalaki and he should that Pezo is a left over Sanatonda at the thought of walking through the ugly streets. Adumba masakti daba lambigi parin, lambigi marin adu mana. The ugly streets of Lekom Lane Angan Tambulambi, Madu forward Chatkani Kalubra. On his way to his office. Adu Haiba, my office power officer to Nicodulambi the power. Adu Lambi do not alone. Kundunguina, Matangaira, Tangai Padalambi or But he was compelled to struggle. Adu man namdana mayu nabalam thengna batarami compelled the namdana to uka. Through it high lambi the sat patarami malam thengna mayu nabatarami lambi wabado till he reached the metal street. Adu mba lambi du lam thoga chat khiro ba koila start kada lambi. Acho lambi metal road adi khona ka metal street adi koila start lambi na hangani ko. As Sanaton worried over the rod, an idea suddenly struck him. Akoni sisine awabadu kamai to dan lam thing nagadiga bi wakal mongon dana Sanatoni awabasina maramoy na mongon wakal makhodana magi koks na sili power yele. If the men of the locality work 1 or 2 hours every day in the evening after their day's work, then our problem can permanently be solved. Man khaleba. Equally missing as not like I locality like I work 1 or 2 hours no matter Tavaks is sort of a every day in the evening, Numidang Matanda or Numidang Matanda. After their day's work, more normal without Tavaks since a pool or a Madu Halaga Numidang with Suragadi, Lambi Pagano Honagadi, then our problem, a queen of my own riba to my cover, some Masakudum Sada Visina Sa, permanently Matam Supaguna be solved. madu loikhagani. What we should do is to dig the earth. Ekhona tawgadab haiba bu sumne lebak tawgudani in open ground ahang walam paktudagi near the rod lambi du nakanda leba and raise the level of the rod adu lambi du lemai do hana leram pa changudagi wakalan chappa yana ko chatpa nuaina ba hona badune gyan taradro. With the earth dug out of the ground lemai khoi lemai di tokthorok pa leba pola hindu pura hapsan duini adu wakalan duini sinimai. He thought masi khali mana mai wakal khali asidagi mana khali bo wakal du thabuk to thokadore nupa to komi amo oina ka. He decided to discuss the matter. Hiram du gi matang da wa khanage haiduna man warep lore with some of his neighbors magi yumlon kero na wale kai mi chimana ma sunga man singa mi api pai je size le ko mi gi wangba chaw da le te mi api pa mi chaw wai yo Abdul Kalam si mi am pi dana adu magi wakal yam na wang yam na chaw yan tai ko adu dara di am chaw dana Abdul Kalam dong di dara ay Hanuman sahaja Ramayana atau pun thabuk di tawang dia kan adu ga amso akoina the great Kali in India khane chaw mi do kedo ba Abdul Kalam gumna atau thabuk tawang de apik mi sing atau thabuk tawang gi kudam me amna lei adu noi koina mi chaw ba hai di mi masayam chaw bu na te ko kan tarabra Lal Bahadur Shastri ji ampi adu ko ma sing thane ko magi wife to ki matung na thabo kon thora ka dare ji ba maduna ma na khala matung na magi nupi ka tana re ma chakhani ji unaba. And so in the evening aduna noma numidang wa mama that day Sanaton madugi numitudi met several of his neighbors magi lekai gi misin tang man unaba sa and sounded his idea to them. Sounded is yam pazai sigi ngisika man mayam ta gyan tale understand tole man khali du kari no hai ka. His idea magi wakalondo to them hai neighbors ngada. He said man hai dear friends nushira marup mapangsa you all see the condition of the rod of our rod ekhoi loina ba ure ko ekhoi sigumba phatkidra lambi sig section se. Don't you think that nakoi na khandabra we ourselves should do something to improve its condition ekhoi na kai gumba khara ekhoi gi dama sigumba lambi sig phagana ba kona gani habigi wakal se ekhoi na khaloi da. I propose in Hudoksari that we carry our duck out of that open ground and raise the level of the rock. In Hudoksari wapam si kari wapam, leba to tau rasi aduga. Akut pada hapsi nasi atu malamdi wala si akut palamdi. Then we can be free from the mess. Adu degi de koi man thok pangamani mess awana, MESS. Karam awana that has been troubling ekoi wahaliba as every time it rains. Nong chuak pa he khudingi nong zu tha khudingi ekoi de wahali ba sigum balambi ji awabu masak se masli ji koi na thok ngani nong na wahali bu de. But that's the duty of the government. Mayam jin kai kumai ekoi gi samaj gi masang ni aina mane ya bu ba afa thabak to si ekoi society da dum wa na to adu wa pawani ha bu madu chapchana praman pirak an di mayam dum ina na to ko isi cho ekoi gi dum samaj le mi sin gi Paramdaga of Pavarum, all of Pagika, Adu Badum Apavokdom, but there's the duty of the government, Masidi Sakari, Matonina Lengaki, Nambi Semba, Tong Semba, Masi Lengaki, Maton, Koi Matonate, Lanai Sempo Toga, one of the Donate, Koilanai Panganos, the Wang of Donate, Sini. That's no business of ours, a Koi Itonate, business of the Iton Hanganika, a Koi Tabonate. Why should we waste our time? Ekoi karige ekoi na matam mangalu bedagi suktang matam se kari mangaluni and energy on something ekoi ki pangan su ekoi ki matam su karige mangalu gani on something that the government should do adugum bahiram sing sarkar na tawjaga do mathau le ekoi na karige sagi pangan sagi matam karige mangalu gani mayam dan sitna na haidor maga mayam go wai sanadu mayam pulaga sanari bu ko. Replied one of the neighbors. Magi yumlon kayo na ba masunga manaba amadun kumai. The other said, Mayam nasu madula pung thawale. Yes, sumi, showing their agreement with the neighbor. Nasai yumlon na ba amadun kumai ba pakumuda yaning uladuna. Sumi nang nahay du sum hay ko. Sanaton ma yam na ningba hongan giba aduga wakhan ni siang taken guidance ba nupa na te ningra di to da nupa ni makha di kini Sanaton tried to explain mana sandona mu gyan tan la bokona re gyan tahan na bokona re ko it may be the government's duty to look after the road mayam na habi du chume mase sarkar na to da mathau ni adubu kali to ba but our government is hard pressed with a lot of problems ekhoi ke lenga actually mana to da ba achaw thabak mayam ama samasa mayam ama mayungari. If we wait for the government to come and improve the condition of the road, karigum they couldn't lay on some guiding labor. Makoya Laga Sembi Bido, Madu Tasing and guiding labor. It will take as Madudi Hikayama Sangalan. And meanwhile, we shall go on suffering like this. Aduna Matam to Pavadi could assume Waduna Lambishi, the Lakum to possess Mayona Duna, Adum later. Had the man Mayam the Gantana Honor Panico. Extra question di mayam hangbe ekhoi na ado isan sum same question du ka du tamsi Sanaton at last found the general opinion of his neighbors mamai thang di mayam pulak ro waklon de ma khangbang namle was to do maddi karim ta to da duni nothing but to wait for the government to improve the road condition madu lenga laga lambi di phibam phagalan badune ba mayam da ngai se mayam do yawning de mateng pang de Abi Tabutu, Lambisi and Baduta Senapun, Hogatravel, Makane. Sanaton was disappointed, Nimbakai, Sanaton Yuwakada. He never expected, assumed the Makadunda Sato there, that the people would turn down his proposal so lightly. Asuk Tayang Tayanga, Man Hodoli Bapu, Tabuto, Miam, the Mirai Kani, Yaro have said, Mangon Kalude. But he was a tough man. Adu Mayamna. Ningi bidu hongan ta tough kwa akan manupani halusen ningi bidu hongan ta manupani who could not be easily thwarted from doing what he thought was right mana toge khaliba achumba thabak to madu hekta pang na hong tokada ba adugumba pang do lupa amudi oyam desnato. It was his firm belief madu magi chapcha thaja bani madudi that people should help themselves. For the improvement of their own lot. Masana Masaki given Paganaba, one as a gather. Koi make you wide the lady. Nakum the Tarana, live Amabu, no I am day. You couldn't get Kuna, live or Miduga, Nakum, Bashingana, Sumpot Pidana, no Pidana, Paganova Pidana, Honor, and Supagapangamor. Live of Hizay, Kun Hanabam Sulay, Wakal the light of Nika. Mag wakal do na samba padaka oi wakal do han ina kula kanda mama sasi ina kula. He remembered how many a Manipuri young man had taken care of a Sambalay plant. Mahang nising laki mag wakal do ta asigam awa bus mayong merba mayang yaning da bus kanda Manipuri yam thona pa nupama karamba Sambalay second party nupama and finally got himself for a place in the Guinness Book of World Record. Adugumba Guinness Book of World Record ta khwaitigi wangba sambalai pambi thagiba nupa digi wari the man ningsing lakhi. As the man who grew the tallest plant khwaitigi wanga pambi thagiba nupa. It is not a tripping effort. Tenacity and perseverance are tenacity and perseverance are what made the man achieve that fit. Magi nupa digi hotna bada lepa leitaba adigumba makasum chathabagi mong dona atuk chawba thabak to nupa dona phangribani years and years of care, love and devotion. Sahi kaya lisang sila sum senazaba aduga madugu nuksizaba kathokzaba sambalai sekim dugu ko are needed to attain such great things. Asigumba magi nuksizaba sahi kaya lisang sila hona basang nupa dona world record to Pangonang Rini Tabuk to the Malusa with the Tops of it. Aduna, Simba Pavakam, Hangaitaragadi, a Koizumaguna, Mato Tambadaka, Oi Havana, Gantareko, Lambi, Pivan Paganamazimana, Sagin Upad, the Mato, Sambal Second Town, Pagan Honarakanda, my papa to Pangidana, so he is sanction Honarakanda, Aduna, Maghonaga, Lambi to Paganese, Man, Soy in a Pazabale. Sigma Tansa, absolutely, explain the way that on Lady. compared to it ngasai sambalai sekun thabi awa akan bathabak to maduga sangdom na rubadadi my work of rising the level of the rod ai ge sigum balambi thon bagi thawak sidi is a size plate only angang ni sana logum bani I will have easy yo thawak ni ko sanaton set sanaton hare to himself masal masal haizari wakhal khanjari ni ko aga akoi Guinness Book of World Record chan ri je ko sambalai sekun je prithvi no da paidi ki wamba adu sambalai haiba pambi du paidi ki wangna haibudi fit yang khai wangna aduga mathol sina kaya oiba fit yang khai wangba ko mathol sina kutha wa wangaga Guinness Book of World Record ta chalini sina 1999 ne thaba ho gibisina 1980 ko wan da thaba ho gibini ko sambalai sekun je aduga thari ko misak ko ni kai nagadru misak sina kana no haiga di ko moirangtheng okendra koi magi popom sina tumbi haiba tungang asidagini aduga magi lefom na Bishnupur district tumbi hayo kunji yantare ko adunu ne na ku khanga gadi Wikipedia da sanga pathok si ko sambalai je khona fence sambalai je fencing haibani lai habna flower haibani second habasna kungi satra haino do kani ko lai par mudira nakana kana do second indicates a decorative bamboo pots hasna like ngabadu bawana sama makhong amani with rounded structure adumba makoi yaw ko kina samba framing a canopy kuna canopy si kaina thakhan gum bhai tare ko koi koina satin mania le de yaw ko generally used in worship or festivals of Manipur Manipur pangthokpa laitulgi thoram amasung kumai kyu season nei sin in haini do Sanaton also remember a line parengama kusuning sing ai mangon the strike to ba mangon inspire to ise number 1 kanano no sambalai sekin gi isine ko mangon the patha ge ma ma to jira khalu de it man the ding magai ne kari gi ai na isile ko Sanaton also remember a line of Rabindranath Tagore's song Bharat ki flower ba sangnai ba ai ba ko akoi literature gi prize pangibani am saw ko Sanat Rabindranath Tagore gi say if no one respond to your call kanana sunang na call guru kumakragadi then take the rod alone nambi the night tom chalo nang na horu budi astra ba amon horu ba nang adum chalo what beautiful lines kaya ga ni chikhaba pareng sino thought he mahana khanjai he would exactly do that man madum su tauki whether the others join me or not man khale mayam na yawgera I will do the work on my own he decided man whatever masi ai sum tawgerani